So we're gonna start off with an onion, clove of garlic. We only want to use about 4 of these, and 2 sticks of, the celery. So now we got our pan that we're gonna put our bacon in. We're gonna take 10 slices of bacon because we have 10 jalapeno peppers. I'm gonna lay this down. Just ready to cook. Okay, so you're gonna add 3 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna add in our onions and our celery. We're gonna cook this till it's about translucent. So we're gonna add our garlic right here. We're gonna cook it for like 30 seconds. 30 seconds just to get that aroma. So right here we're gonna add our potatoes. There's 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Mix this all up. It's gonna get real thick right here. Don't worry about it because we're about to loosen it up a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna add that chicken stock. Slowly add the chicken stock and stir. Add some more. Okay, so you're gonna let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the potatoes are kind of tender. Okay, so now this has been simmering for about 15 minutes. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of milk. We're gonna add 1 whole cup of heavy cream. I'll stir this up. All right, for my seasonings, we're gonna use a little bit of black pepper. Also, we're gonna use a little bit of smoked paprika. About a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. And that's a little bit more than a teaspoon. And some Old Bay seasoning. Season it how you like. I'm a little heavy on the seasoning. Add the shrimp that I've already pre-seasoned. Let these cook for about 2 to 3 minutes so they turn pink. Now this is optional, but I add a little bit of tomato paste for color. I'm gonna whisk this up. So you want to take your buttered bread and put it in a skillet. Now since this is a skillet, you know it holds heat really good, so you want to keep it on low and kind of watch it. Golden brown.